Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing two essentials: Excel for Microsoft 365 with Office scripts enabled, and an OpenAI API key stored securely. Once done, open the workbook and write an Office script that reads a selected range, headers plus rows, and formats a concise JSON prompt. Then call a Power Automate flow from the script to post that JSON to the ChatGPT API endpoint. This first call validates connectivity and confirms your key. Make sure to limit payload size for responsiveness and costs. Next, build the middle piece, a Power Automate flow triggered by the Office script. Add an HTTP action that posts a concise prompt, model name, max tokens, and temperature. Include your API key and headers. Once the API returns content, use a parse JSON action to extract the assistant text, then map that text back into specific workbook ranges or a new worksheet. Also implement basic retries and check response usage fields, because monitoring token consumption keeps costs predictable and prevents silent failures. Finally, validate the whole pipeline. Run end-to-end tests using short, then longer prompts. Make sure outputs land in the right cells and keep formatting intact. If something breaks, inspect HTTP status codes, retry on 429, and surface 4xx/5xx errors into a log worksheet. Once stable, secure the API key, constrain usage limits, and document the Office script and flow parameters for others. Troubleshooting tip: if responses are blank, enable verbose logging in the flow and verify the prompt.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.